Do you find yourself each year in your company when they set goals that many of the goals are by the end of the year are not even been met? Have you found that sometimes you think that goal setting is not really worth the effort? Do you find that every year your company sets goals or you set the goals for your team, and by the end of the year it seems like you didn't accomplish any of the goals, if you remember what the goals were to begin with? Sometimes setting goals is you can get some way through it, but not all the way through it. And other times goals seems to be very simple. You set the bar low and you accomplish the goal within a month or two, and then go for the rest of the year. Or maybe you found that each year your company seems to do the same thing over and over again, and you're getting the same results. Basically, you're just riding along the wave with the economy. This is the importance of goal setting. And in this video, we're going to talk about how to set those goals and how to accomplish those goals by the end of the year. So get ready to write down your goals and see you at the end of the video. Goal setting is not really that hard to do. First, you have to really understand where you're at in your business and where you want to go within the next year, next 3 years, or next 5 years, or even longer perhaps. Goal setting is the first step, setting a goal. The next step is to actually set a plan to achieve that goal, because without a plan to achieve your goals, well, goals are nothing more than a wish. And in business, wishing doesn't work most of the time. You have to have a plan. And as engineers, we know that planning is an essential part of what we do in designing technical drawings and technical plans and even solving field problems. Planning is the basis to all goals, and this is where we're going to start off at. So now you and your team have decided where you want to go for this year as a goal. Next, you're going to have to sit down and come up with a plan of how to achieve that particular goal or multiple goals that you may have for the year. So the first thing we have to do is ask some questions and give some answers. The who, what, where, when, how questions of goals. The first question should be, what is the goal? What specifically do we want to accomplish in this goal this year? The next question, of course, is why do we want to do this goal? If we have the why, we're more apt to be wanting to achieve the goal. Why is it that gaining more clients this year, let's say doubling the number of clients for our company, why is that so important to the company? Well, one, brings in more projects, which means more profit, which means more pay, more bonuses, a lot of things. The company can grow and be able to take on even better projects, even more unique projects in the future. Now that we understand the why, which is a motivating question, why we want to do this goal, the next question would be, when do we expect to accomplish the goal? Do we expect to accomplish this first goal within a month, 3 months, within the first quarter, within the second quarter of the year, or maybe it will take us the whole year to accomplish this particular goal? So we have to understand so far what the goal is, why we need to do the goal, and when we want to finish this goal. Now we move on to the fourth question, which is, where am I right now in the company? Where do we stand right now? How far are we away from reaching this goal? So if we only have 20 clients right now and we want to double that, to 40 clients by the end of the year, that shows you where our starting point is. So now I know I got to do 20 more. If I had a company that had 100 clients right now and I want to double that, that's 200 clients by the end of the year. You see the size of the goal much clearer now that you know where your starting point is. We packed a lot of value into this video and know that you're getting something out of it. So please help us out by going down below and hitting that click that like button down there, and also subscribe to our channel so you can get more videos about how to manage your engineering business company. And also don't forget to ring that bell, and that will get you notifications every time we upload a new video. Now that we know those answers to those questions, the next question is, who in our company or who outside of our company is going to help me to accomplish this goal? Well, obviously, if I'm trying to double my number of clients, first thing that's going to help me to achieve this goal is that the people within my company, who do they know? What clients that they have worked with in the past at other firms, or other clients that they may know that may also know other clients that are needing our services. Also, the outside question would be, we're outside of the company. Who out there can help us to find more clients? We are expanding our reach outward to find more people to come into our company as clients, so we can double our number of clients this year. That leads us to the final question. How will we accomplish this goal? What are the steps necessary to accomplish this goal? I would say I can't do 20 new clients within 1 month, or can I? Or do I stretch this out over 12 months to try to reach it by the end of the year? Or maybe try to reach it within 6 months? What does the economy look like in the year to come to help me to reach this goal? How can I reach it? So I have to write down a plan how to do this. First step, talk to the individuals in my company that may know other clients. So that's going to be the first step. Maybe the second step, talk to our existing clients to see if they know of any other developers or clients or architects or contractors or government entities that need our services. So that's the second step. And the third step may be in the third month, we're going to go ahead and look at possibly marketing a certain market to try to gain more clients in that particular market. So now I've answered all these questions. What is the goal? Why do we need to do the goal? When do we need to accomplish this goal? Where now am I in relation to this particular goal? How far along is our company right now to achieving this goal? If we're at 10 individuals right now that are clients, that tells me a starting point. So now I know the what, the why, the when, the where, the who, and the how to accomplish this goal. Those are important steps in the first step in establishing goals for the new business year. So now that I've answered all these questions to what the goal is and how I'm going to set it and everything, I need to put it down in paper, write it out exactly what the goal is, or if there's multiple goals, what the multiple goals are, put down who's going to help, when we're going to accomplish these goals, where we're going to do this, how each and everybody is involved in accomplishing this goal. All those different things are put into the goal. And then we bring it out to the company wide and get everyone to buy into the goal setting. Once we have that, we can move on to the next step in goal setting, which is to implement the plan and accomplish our goals. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, and also look over to the side there. You're going to find another video that's in this series of goal setting. Please go ahead and take a look at our next video and learn a little bit more about how to set goals for your company this coming year. See you on the next video.